Some people say that if a keyword performs well in auto or broad campaigns, we should move it to exact match campaign, but keep it running in auto as well. Others say that if a keyword performs well in auto, to keep it within the same campaign, or to negate it from the campaign and then move it into its own campaign. I am in the first group that's going to tell you that if it generates profitable sales, what I would do, or what we are doing in the agency, is we're going to move that within its own campaign and see how it's going to perform the moment that it's going to be allocated its own budget, so we have as much control as possible. Now keep in mind here, what we're looking for is not as much as hoping for the same process or success, but we are looking for ranking for that specific keyword that it's working well for us. Also, we have to define what working well for us means. In this case, if it generated the 1 sale, the 2 sales, I would not consider that it's working well. If during the last 30 days, at least generating 10 to 15 sales, I would consider that keyword is working well, or that search term is working well. Let's move it into its own campaign. So based on those, I think it's really important to know first off what working well is, so define that. And then the second thing is never negate it from wherever it works fine, because what is going to happen is that there's no way for you to be sure that you can duplicate success.